diving to catch a softball, I ruptured a disc in my neck. I was in constant agony. Of course, I had the resources of my chiropractic office, but I still could not find relief. I couldn't sleep, and I could barely work. As the saying goes, the mother of invention is necessity. I had to solve my problem. I started creating a solution and came up with Fisher Traction. Fisher Traction is a patented, revolutionary device that can lead to relief in your neck. All you do is rest your head in the Fisher Traction's cushion straps, adjust for comfort, and let the weight of your head and shoulders gently start the pain-relieving decompression action. That's it. Relief from neck and lower back pain is as easy as lying down.
The Fisher Traction decompression device has been specifically designed for the neck and shoulder area, utilizing negative G-force technology to relieve pain. Another device specifically for your lower back utilizes a larger waist belt that also maximizes negative G-force technology to decompress and alleviate pain in the lower back.
This proprietary release strap decompresses your spine. The stretching of the spine minimizes pressure on nerves and helps rehydrate the natural cushion of the spine, providing amazing, pain-relieving decompression. Finally, I can offer my patients a way to overcome the problem of having enough time and money required to get consistent treatments. With Fisher Traction, they get the treatments they need at home, at work, or on vacation. Relief anywhere, anytime.
With the Fisher Traction device, it helps to stretch those tissues out. It helps to create a negative force or negative pressure, which then draws the material of the intervertebral disc back into the disc, which then can pull it away from that nerve root, relieving that pain.
I feel the pain go away immediately.
My wife and 2 sons suffered from herniated discs in their low back. I modified and enhanced my Fisher neck traction device for them to use on their lower back injuries. With a larger and more supportive lower back belt and increased resistance in bands, the Fisher Traction lower back device delivers the same decompression benefits for lower back pain and injuries. After using the Fisher Traction, my wife saw the size of her disc herniation reduced and the pain virtually eliminated. As a chiropractor, I've devoted my life to helping people live the healthiest, most active, fulfilling life possible. And now I want to bring my Fisher Traction to the millions of people suffering from the same neck and lower back pain my family and I experienced.